Today we're gonna see which car is traveling good. Let's see. Let's start with this car. This has two. This has good traveling with this. Let's see. This is so slow, but this car is slow. Okay, let's try Baleno. See. Okay, let's try Baleno. So fast. Hot Wheels car this is. Whoa! This is so high. The Baleno is winners. Winners will be in here. Okay, let's try this white car. Actually, this is Indian car. This is Indian color car. This is also Hot Wheels car. This is gonna pop the water balloons, and this car is good traveling car, and we can see how much fast it is than Baleno. Oh, that is faster than Baleno. Okay, let's try this Jeep. This is not Jeep. This is not Jeep. This is good running car. Let's see. Look, this is so fast car. Good. Let's try this monster truck. This is so big, and we can see here like this, and we can see okay, let's start it. This monster truck will go to balcony, I think that should go to balcony. Oh, this is go to balcony. So this is winners. And let's try this monster truck. Okay, this is so big, and we can do like this. We can do like this. Uh-oh. Sorry guys. Sorry. Something is happening in our community. Sorry for that. Let's start it. We can do like this, and we can do like this. I think this is falling. I think this is go to balcony. Oh yes, it's go to balcony. Now let's try this racing car. 5 million subscribers this car have. Let's try it. I think this will go to balcony also. Yeah. Okay, this is winners. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this G-Wagon. I think this is like Mahindra Tour. Let's try it. This car has dash because it's out. Let's try this. This is Alendra. Not this Alendra. This is Honda. Let's see how much speed it is. This is so speed. Let's try this green car. How much? I don't know how much speed it is. This is so fast speed. Now we have Mahindra Thar. This is good traveling car. This is amazing car. Let's try it. Let's try it. Oh, this is so fast. try. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Good. It's so far than Honda, I think. This is my car. This is my car. It's a so small car. Let's see. Oops. Out. This is dash. My car is small because it's out. Okay, let's try this Alendra. Let's see. Oh, this is so fast. And this is Gaviner. And let's try this garbage car. And let's try this garbage truck. Oh, this car pushed the monster. This car pushed the monster truck because it's out. Let's see this red car. This is so big. Good driving car. It's so fast. Let's see this new car. Ooh, this is finished also. Let's try this truck. This is a slow truck. We can do like this. We can put cars over here. We can put cars. We need to put like this. I'll show you. I have this car, right? And I don't need this car. I need Mahindra Tour and Alendra and Baleno. Okay, let's try. I put Baleno in here. This is first. And I put Alendra or in the top. I mean, not like that. Like this. I put it and I move it and I down it and I put Mahindra Tour and I go to up. This is like that. This done. This is nurse. This is nurse. Okay, let's try this car. I mean this truck. I think this is gonna out. Uh-oh. This is so silly. Out. Okay. I have flashed car. This is my truck. Okay guys, let's try this orange black car. This is good. That is sinners. And last one, this is monster truck. We're gonna twirl. It's making so noise. Did you hear that? Hear that again. This is a loud sound. Okay, let's see this. Ooh, this is so fast than this monster truck. Thank you guys for watching this cars videos. I will see you in next video. Bye.